In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order online from Burger King. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Burger King website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Order Now button and click it to begin your order. This will take you to the online ordering page where you can start browsing the menu and setting up your delivery. On the menu page, you'll usually see the food categories listed on the left-hand side. This helps make browsing much easier, especially if you already know what you're in the mood for. You can click through categories like burgers, chicken, sides, drinks, or combo meals to narrow down your options and find items faster. After choosing a category, take a moment to browse the available items and select the one you'd like to order. This is a good time to check the item name, price, and any available options. If you're ordering for more than one person, it can also help to plan your full order before checking out so you don't forget anything. Before continuing, you'll need to select a location. Choose your area or delivery location so the site can show you the correct store options. After that, select the delivery store that will prepare your order. This step is important because menu availability and delivery coverage can vary depending on the branch. Once your preferred item is selected and your location is confirmed, click Add to Cart. This places the item into your order and updates your cart on the page. If you'd like to add more food, simply go back to the menu, choose another category or item, and repeat the same process. You can continue adding as many items as you need until your order is complete. When you're finished building your order, look to the right-hand side of the screen and click Checkout. This takes you to the final review page where you can carefully check your order details. Make sure the items, quantities, and selections are correct before moving forward. It's always a good idea to review everything here so you can catch any mistakes before placing the order. Next, choose your payment method. Select the option that works best for you based on what the website offers. At this point, you're almost done, so just make sure everything looks accurate before completing the payment process. And that's how to order online from Burger King. If you follow these steps carefully, the process should be quick and easy, whether you're ordering a single meal or putting together a larger order for delivery.